We have created our simple GUI design using Qt Designer, but now how we can use from that design? There are two ways that you can use. So the first way is that you can convert your UI file to .py file, and the second way is that you can directly load your UI file. Now, particularly in this lesson, we will learn that how we can convert our UI file to .py file. Now, this is our simple design. The first thing is that we need to save this file. So I'm going to just click on File. After that, Save. So I want to save this in my project directory and the part 1 folder. And I can just give a name for this. So window UI. Now this will be a .ui extension. So window UI. And after that, I'm going to just click on Save. Yes. So because I have already have that file, so I have just saved it. Now if you see let me just, and in the part 1 you can see that now I have a window.ui file. So we want to convert this to .py file, and for this let me just clear this. Okay. Now in the terminal, we are going to use PyQt6 module for converting our UI file to .py file. So in here, I can just say PyQt6, and after that, we can just use -x. Now we need to give the name of our .ui file, so that is window UI.ui. And after that, we want to use -o, it means the output. And for the output, I want to just give it my window, or we have my window, and I can just say window UI.py. After that, hit enter. Oh, we don't have the window UI window. Okay, it should be. Now this is because we have our file in the part 1, and by this reason we are receiving an error because there is no file at name of window.ui in our root directory. So I can just change this to part 1, and in here we can just use this. So now we are not receiving any error, and if we see in here, let me just we should see window UI.py file. Now, if I open this, you can see that we have some notes in here that it's converted. And if I come down, and now I can run this. So now you can see that we are seeing our first window from Qt Designer. And this is the title, Qt Designer example. And we have our UI form, and this is the size, or we can say the geometry of the window, and this is the window title. And like this, we can convert our .ui file to .py file.